Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class is phrase versus clauses. Yesterday we was learning many types of phrases with related examples. So today we will be learn phrase versus clauses. It is the common question that is arise everyone's mind, that is what is clause and what is phrase and what is the difference between them. So today we will be briefly discuss about phrase versus clauses. It means what is phrase, what is clause and what is the similarities, what is the differentiation between them. Today we will be learning. Let's start the class. Phrase versus clauses. Phrase is one word and clause is different word. It is the opposite to each other. It means phrase is that word where subject plus verb combination is not here, but clauses is that word subject plus verb combination has. It is called clause and it is called phrase. It is the difference between. Phrase is that subject verb combination is not here, and also it is that phrase, it has no meaning whenever it is used in the sentence that have complete meaning, but without using the sentence it has no meaning. That is called phrase. Yesterday I was learning the different types of, that is 5 types of phrases I was learning you. So clauses is that here subject and verb combination is here, and without anyone's help, without any sentence help, it has meaning. That is called clause. Okay, let's start the class with examples. My best friend. It is one type of phrase. It is the group of words also with subject verb combination, so it is called phrase. But it has no complete meaning. Whenever it is used as a sentence that has complete meaning, like this, John is my best friend. It is the clause. It is the clause and it is the phrase. Phrase is that where group of words here and no subject verb combination is here, that is called phrase. But John is my best friend, it is also one type of clause, but it has the complete meaning and we can know the meaning of the sentence. But in this case we cannot know any meaning of the sentence. So let's discuss what is phrase, what is clause and what is the difference between them. What is phrase? Phrase is that when group of words here, 1 point. Second point, no subject verb combination is here. Third point, no meaning if used alone. If we use alone, it has no meaning. Whenever it is used in the sentence, then that has no meaning. But whenever it is used in the sentence, then that has complete meaning. Example, the sports car, to watch movie, on the table. It is the examples of phrases. It has no complete meaning. If we add the sports car, if we add anything, then the sentence will be complete. And it is also one type of phrase. It has also no meaning. And on the table, we cannot know the thought of the sentence. In this case, we cannot know any thought of the sentence. That is called phrase. Then clause. Clause is that where subject and verb combination is here. Second, group of words are here. Subject and verb combination is here. And mainly the clause is two types. One is independent clause and second is dependent clause. Independent clause is that clause, it doesn't depend upon dependent clause, because independent clause is not exist any meaning without dependent clause. But dependent clause is that it depend upon the independent clause. Independent clause doesn't depend any other dependent clause, but dependent clause depend upon independent clause for exist. It is the difference between the independent and dependent clause. Example, you were in the party when I come home. When I came home, you were in the party. It is the complete sentence. It is one type of independent clause and it is the dependent clause. When independent and dependent clause combined together, it is called as a complete example. That is, when I came home, you were in the party. Okay, let's take or some example to know about clear dependent and independent clause. Before you go to bed, it is the dependent clause. And independent clause is that you have to finish your homework. So independent clause has one complete meaning, but without dependent clause it has no meaning, that is before you go to bed you have to finish your homework. When dependent and independent clause combine together, that has complete meaning, that is before you go to bed you have to finish your homework. Like this, after a month of research he finally finished his novel. It is the complete meaning with the dependent and independent clause. Dependent clause never exists without independent clause. Independent clause always exists without dependent clause, because dependent clause is always depend upon independent clause. Independent clause never depend upon dependent clause. It is the difference between them. In the sentence of meaning, in the words of meaning, we can know what is them and what is this. So it is the difference between dependent and independent clause. Let's recheck what we have today learned. That is, first we have learned phrases and clauses. Phrases and clauses, it is the common question to arrive anyone's mind, that is the what is that. So today we was learning that is the phrase and clauses and difference between them, and also their example. And clause is divided into two types, that is independent and dependent clause, and their examples. It is all about phrase versus clauses. I hope you understand the difference between them. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.